Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer. Next, click on New Experience from the left side and wait for the project to load completely. Once your experience is open, click on the AI Assistant icon from the top right corner of Roblox Studio. Now, in the Assistant panel on the bottom right side, click on the three dots menu. Here, click on Manage MCP Servers. Now turn on the toggle for Enable Studio as MCP. This allows Roblox Studio to work with external AI tools that support MCP connections. After that, click on Setup Instructions. Now click on JSON Configuration and copy the configuration code provided by Roblox Studio. Next, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open Claude and sign into your account if you haven't already. Now click on your username or profile icon and select Settings. Here, click on Developer. Then click on Edit Config. A configuration file will open. Right-click on the file and select Edit in Notepad. Now, paste the Sun configuration code that you copied from Roblox Studio into the configuration file. After that, click on File and then select Save to save your changes. Once the file has been saved, restart your computer to make sure the new configuration is loaded properly. After your PC restarts, open Roblox Studio again. Click on the three dots in the Assistant panel and select Manage MCP Servers. Now turn on the toggle for Claude Desktop. Wait a few moments for the connection to be established. Once connected, Claude AI will be able to interact with Roblox Studio through the MCP setup, allowing you to use AI-assisted features while working on your projects. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.